Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Huma, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to discuss exercise of the chapter number 12, which is the gift of the Magi. Now let's move on to our first question, where we are going to discuss exercise related with MCQs. Choose the correct answer. The first statement is, James Dillingham Young had two valuable things: a house and a car, a necklace and a clock, TV and VCR, and the last option is Jim's gold watch and Della's hair. So this is the correct answer, option number D. Second statement is, Della's hair was more beautiful than any painting, palace, queen's jewels and gifts, and the last one is scene. So the correct answer is option number C. Third statement is, Della's hair reached below her neck, back, feet or knees, and the correct option is D, knees. Fourth statement is, down fell the brown waterfall means option number A, the stream flowed down, option number B, the brown waterfall fell down, option number C, Della's hair fell down, option number D, the brown water fell down, and the correct option is C, Della's hair fell down. Fifth statement is, what did she buy for Jim? A watch, a gold watch chain, a necktie, a shirt, and the correct answer is a gold watch chain, option number B. Sixth one is, what was common in Jim and the watch chain? Simplicity, quietness, value, and the last option is quietness and value. So the correct option is D. Seventh one is, with her short hair, she looked wonderfully like a young girl, schoolboy, dame or woman, and the correct answer is option number B, schoolboy. Eighth one is, what did Della pray? Option number A, may he think her still pretty. Option number B, may she live long. Option number C, may she had long hair again. Option number D, may she remain pretty. And the correct answer is option number A, may he think her still pretty. The ninth statement is, no one can count Della's feelings, love, hair or jewels. And the correct answer is B, love. The last statement is, Jim bought a gift of a watch, shoes, clips, the combs, and the correct answer is option number D. So we are done with the exercise related with MCQs. Now let's move on to the second exercise, where we are going to discuss true-false statements. Make the statement true or false. The first statement is, the gold watch belonged to Jim's father. True. The second statement is, Jim knew that no king had anything so valuable as the gold watch. True. Third statement is, Della sold her hair for $20. True. Fourth statement is, for 3 hours she seemed to fly from shop to find a gift. False. It was 2 hours. Fifth statement is, she could not do anything with $1.87. True. Sixth statement is, Jim took his dinner at 8. False. It was 7. Seventh statement is, Jim was paid $20 a week. False. Eighth statement is, both could not live through Christmas without exchanging gifts. True. Ninth statement is, she refused to have the gifts of the combs. False. And the last statement is, the gifts were too nice to use on Christmas. True. So here we are done with the exercise related with true false as well. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.